Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to find some basic symbols that you will need to use when you are typing out some chemistry equations first. So when you first find some symbols, you go to Insert, Special Characters, and then say we want to find delta. So it's really simple, a lot more simple than what Word does, but you just type in delta, and it'll be the first symbol you have come up, the Greek capital letter delta, and just click it. And then you'll have that, so you can type in delta H of reactions for heat of formations. Okay. The next one you can find usually is the sum Greek letter. So that one you do the same thing again. You go to Insert, Special Characters, and just type in sum. And then now instead it's the summation, the second summation sign. And that's when we're using finding heats of formations of the sum of products or the sum of reactants. And then the last one is the degree. So again, Insert, Special Characters, degree symbol, and you can see it's the third one for the degree sign. You'll insert it, and there you go. Okay. And then some other helpful tips if you need to do subscripts or superscripts. So say I just type in reaction and I need to subscript it, just highlight it, go to Format, Text, and you can see there's superscript, or I can go back to the same thing, Format, Text, or oops, sorry, that was the same thing, or subscript it. So those are some basic functions you will need to use if you ever type up some chemistry equations when you're doing that.